So we had some kind of a back building in this rendering, and let's do the same thing again. So I'll go out to Revit, and we're going to add a special texture to it that's right inside of Revit. We'll go to site level, and let's start just using our wall tool here. We'll go to architecture, wall architectural. I'll go and edit that basic generic wall and duplicate it, and we'll call it black tile wall. Unless yours is going to look different. And I'm going to say OK. And we're going to go to edit, and we'll leave it at 8 inches. But what we want to do is create a new material, and I'm going to call it black tile. And we'll go to the appearance of it. And this time we're going to want to select tiling. And that's going to give us a palette like this. And we can do all kinds of things to adjust its characteristics. One of the things I want to do is I want to make it wider than it is tall. So I'm going to take the 1 foot vertical distance, and I'm going to make that 1, 2, 3, 4 foot tall. So they're only, let me get this to the right sample size. We're going to unlock this, and I'm going to make this 4 foot in, or 4 foot in that direction, and that'll update that way. Oops, that did it just the opposite, but that's actually the fine way. Well, I want this to be 4 foot tile, so I want this to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this to be really about 16, and I want the other one to be 4 foot. So I'm going to put 16 in here, and 4 in here. Should come up with a nice ratio of tile sizes. And next thing I want to do now is give it, I like the bonding or form sizes here. I just want to give it a tile color. So I'm going to go to tile appearance, and I'm going to pick a darker color. I'll just click on the color chart, and I'll just take this, down to a darker shade of black. Done. Apply. Okay. 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 And let's just start drawing with our tool here. And I've got a little bit of a display error here, so I got to look at another screen while I do this. Architecture. I'm going to go to architecture. Wall. There's our tile wall, and I'm going to draw well, just a little bit of form here. And I'm actually going counterclockwise, so I'm going to cancel out of that because I don't want to make the wall backwards. All right, so I'll come over and start this again. And I'm just trying to put some structure around it. And we'll look at that from the 3D view just to see what we've got. And it's all low, so let's go ahead and change this so that these pieces of wall, well, let's just select all. And we'll set those to, let's say, 60 feet. And we'll just take a look at it, see what it looks like. And the only adjustment I'll do is I'll just drop these 2 walls back here. I'll grab this one. I know I have to grab the other one behind it, but that's not going to be convenient to get at. No. And I'll take these down to, excuse me, 3 feet. And I'll just do the same with the other one. All right, now the whole pattern looks a little small to me, so I'm just going to make a quick adjustment. I'm going to go to Manage, to the Materials, and I'm going to go ahead and edit that appearance. Now that's 16 feet there, but I probably would like that to be a larger pattern, so I'm going to go to 8, let's say. And 2. And if I've guessed that right, that should make the pattern larger on the wall, but it's really not showing up very well. Unless I've gone to 2 inches, so let me just double check here. Yeah, I did. So it appears I made it smaller. I need to go the other direction. I'm sorry, I have that a little confused. So I'll correct that on my next pass, and we'll come back and we'll work on the final layout.